Morning everyone and welcome back to Waterhouse Forde. It's Sunday morning. It's about 12 degrees, so it's warmed up about 2 degrees from yesterday. So no beanie today. You can see my glorious golden locks instead. Right, so today we're going to be chopping some wood. Not chopping, sorry, we're going to be cutting some wood. We've got a bunch of logs in the back there, which I'll show you in a minute, which need to be cut to length before they get split. Okay, we're back again. Got the camera sorted out. So, yeah, the tractor shed is quite full. Got the tractor in there, the trailer, the wood chipper. But basically the wood is all at the back here. We've got a little bit in the trailer, so that needs to be cut and then split. Some of it's just too long to go into the wood burner, which is frustrating. And then here we have a pile, but the lighting's not great in here obviously, but with this pile, this needs to be cut to length and then split. We'll probably be splitting next weekend, but for today we need to cut these to length. So to do that, we've got to get the trailer out of the way. So we'll hook up the tractor, get the trailer moved out, set ourselves up, and get cutting. So you can get a better idea there of the pile of wood that we need to get through. I don't know if we'll get through all of it today, but we're certainly going to have a go. Some of it's quite large, large diameter stuff, and some of it smaller. So we'll see how we go. I hope not.
Just kidding.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna be doing some bowling. But with wood. What is that? No. If I get a strike, then I'm gonna be so happy. Okay. And my bowling ball is over here, which is this. So. Yes! Next level. Which is bigger. I'm gonna make it more spaced out as well, because that'll make it harder to get strike. That, and then go one way, although, yeah. Yes, you could still get a strike though, couldn't you? Yes, if it fell that way, this one would knock that one as well. So, I'm going to use one of these. Okay, lucky bowling ball or bowling plank. Okay. Okay. Two. I think that spacing really does do it. One more.
Hey, right. Well, I hope you enjoyed Oscar's ad hoc bowling there, but we're on to the final couple of logs here. These this is a lime tree that that got damaged in a windstorm late last year, and this trunk was lying out, unfortunately out in the weather, but it seems to have fared actually quite well. So I thought I'd chop it up as well and let that dry out for the next few weeks. Possibly leave it till next year and burn it next year. But of course it'll dry much quicker if now that it's cut, and we'll get it split as well. So that was a good morning's work for us. That should give us enough wood to last through the winter now. We'll do the splitting this coming weekend, and I'll catch a video of that as well and share that as well. But I'm hoping that, as I say, that'll get us through the winter now. Whilst using the chainsaw, I realised that it has been a little bit neglected recently. It hasn't been serviced for a while, and most importantly, or most worryingly, when I used it last time, I put it away without giving it a good clean, and it definitely would benefit from a bit of a clean. So I did actually spend about 2 hours on it on Sunday afternoon, and I've got another video covering some of that as well, which I'll share in the next video. Hopefully people find that interesting as well. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for following along. I know it may not be interesting to everybody, but these are, again, the types of jobs that need to be done, and some of the stuff that we get up to here at Waterhouse Forde. Hope that you'll join us for the next videos, and of course we're eager to get on to or to continue the restoration of the Ferguson, and there'll be a couple of videos coming up in the next few weeks on that, now that we've managed to get the parts that we need for that.